Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through creating a course for the very first time. So say you've just logged in. The first thing you'll do, just so you get an idea, is add your school calendar. Now this will be a calendar created by the admins. It's the same calendar you'll see on the school's VSB website with the immunizations, the provincial exam schedules, that kind of information. So now let's create our own course. So select create a course at the top and put in the course name. So in this case we'll say Biology 12. Put in your instructor name, Bill Nye of course, and your day and period, hyphenated, so day 1, 3rd period, your room number, and your office days. So say Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you're in your office for your students to come check in at say 3 p.m. to 4. So there you go. Now just put in your course description. This can be kind of as robust as you want. For now we'll just say this is a description for Biology 12, but you can put as much information for your students, grading scale, that kind of stuff as you want. Even hyperlink anything, maybe a textbook or anything like that. So now you see it's all right, we'll go submit. And now you can see your course here with the assignments and the announcements, but more importantly, you can update the course at any time or delete the course if you need to. So first things first, let's just create your very first assignment. You'll just select that, there we go. And so say we want to do take notes on the slides, the PowerPoint slides that you showed in class. So now we'll make an assignment start date, which will be Monday the 10th. And add a description of it. Take notes on the PowerPoint slides. And maybe read chapter 4 in your textbook. So now we're going to upload a photo to our Biology 12 folder. We'll add our PowerPoint slides that we had from that day. There we go. Now it's uploaded. And you can see the PowerPoint clickable link there. Now you can either add the assignment or you can add and send a notification email. If you send a notification email, your students will get an email saying that you've added this assignment to the course. But for now, we'll just go add assignment. So there you go. Now it's been added to your course. So we'll go back to the calendar. Now we'll just add your course to our kind of main calendar here. So we'll add Biology 12 that we've just created. And there you go. Now you can see the take notes on Monday the 10th. But we'll also add the Biology 11 that say you created the other day. So now we have all the courses on there. All the due dates aggregated here from the school calendar, the Biology 12 and the Biology 11. You can click on any of the assignments. Say you click Chapter 8, Cell the Unit of Life. You can click on that assignment, click on that hyperlink, and it'll take you to the slides that you had in class. I will just exit out of that assignment and go right back to the main calendar. And there you go.